You know, the skin's an organ just like any other organ. And when an organ, tissue, or cell can't get enough blood flow and oxygen nutrients, then that organ fails. If the skin's not getting adequate blood supply, then you can't deliver oxygen nutrients. And that's what nitric oxide does. It improves blood flow, improves oxygenation, allows for collagen deposition, allows for hydration, and actually improves cellular turnover. So you're sloughing off the old skin, putting in new skin cells that work properly. So nitric oxide gets to the root cause of aging skin. It is the fountain of youth. Everything we know about anti-aging and regenerative medicine revolves around the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is what controls and regulates oxygen delivery, blood flow to every organ, tissue, and cell in the body. Nitric oxide is the signal. It is the molecule that tells our own stem cells to mobilize, differentiate, repair, and replace dysfunctional cells. So if your body can't make nitric oxide, you can't repair, you can't regenerate, and you basically age faster. If you can restore the production of nitric oxide, you mobilize stem cells, improve tissue oxygenation, and basically lead to all the anti-aging effects and longevity that we understand in science. You know, inflammation is the driver of disease, human disease, whether it's heart disease, diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, or even dermatological conditions in the skin. So we have to be able to suppress the inflammatory response. And there's a long reach of published data in the basic science and even the clinical sciences that nitric oxide actually suppresses the inflammatory response. Acute inflammation is good. It's how our body deals with infections and injuries, but chronic inflammation can lead to chronic disease and early death. In fact, many of my patents on a method of reducing inflammation. We can do this through lowering C-reactive protein and really getting to this inflammatory response, this cytokine storm, which leads to chronic inflammation. So understand the signaling aspects of nitric oxide, which lead to a downregulation of the chronic inflammatory response. And when you do that, now the cells, the organs, and the tissues in the body can do what they're designed to do.